Are you terrible at saving money? Here's 3 ways to actually step things up and stack some real cash. I got good at saving while still living my life the way I wanted to, and I've helped family, friends, and clients do the same. Real growth, less stress, a better quality of life. First thing, make it a bill. Pick an amount you're saving weekly or monthly and treat it exactly like rent. Pay it first, not whatever's left over at the end. You're worth it. You earned it. Set up an autosave at your bank so it moves before you even see it. And if you can, open a separate account somewhere else with a high APY so it earns while it just sits there. Second, live below your means. Watch what your expenses actually add up to, because they move fast. Pack a lunch for work instead of buying fast food. You'd be surprised what you bonus yourself just from that. If you've got a partner, rebuild the budget so one income alone could cover everything. Job loss hits a lot different when you're still good either way. Third, invest and let your money make money. Something like Acorns, Robinhood, or Webull can act like a savings account that actually pays you back in dividends. Just remember it's never too late to change your situation and put your money to work.